Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Xbox 360 model and firmware so you know which menus and network drivers apply. Plug a Cat5e/6 Ethernet cable into the console for the simplest test. If you prefer Wi-Fi, make sure you have the SSID and password, and that your router broadcasts on 2, 4 or 5 GHz. Once done, access system settings on the console and open network settings to begin. This tells the console whether to use DHCP or a static IP, and why that choice matters. You now configure the actual connection, run network setup and choose wired for Ethernet or wireless for Wi-Fi. If wireless, scan and pick your SSID, type the passphrase exactly and select the proper band. This ensures signal strength and compatibility. For advanced control, switch to manual and input a static IP, subnet mask, gateway, and primary/secondary DNS. This prevents local conflicts and can improve routing. Once configured, you'll perform a test to verify NAT type and latency, so services like Xbox Live work smoothly. Finish by running the Xbox 360 connection test and review results. Focus on NAT type, packet loss, and Xbox Live sign-in. If NAT is strict or moderate, enable UPnP or forward ports 3074 TCP/UDP on your router. This resolves multiplayer and party chat problems. If the test fails, restart router and console, then try a direct wired connection to isolate Wi-Fi. If problems persist, check MAC filtering or ISB blocks. This tells you why traffic may be blocked and what to change next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.